$1,000 per day. That's how much Colin Dijs started making when he cracked the CPA Marketing code. At one point, he was making over $30,000 per day using simple marketing techniques that anyone can replicate. In this video, we will discuss how you can get started with cost per action marketing, also known as CPA marketing, why simple contests can be super lucrative, and the exact strategies you can use to make money today. If you are interested in learning how money is made in the oddest ways, give us a sub, a like, and if you're really odd, a comment. Now let's get to the CPA wizardry. Like many people, Colin Dijs wanted to make money online. The young entrepreneur did not know where to start and struggled with finding his thing, until ultimately found the world of CPA marketing. With CPA marketing, marketers get paid based on the actions of others. For example, there might be an ad network working with a company who is looking to get downloads to their new mobile app. The ad network may look for marketers to promote the company's application in exchange for money. In this example, the ad network would pay $1 for every one person that downloads the new mobile app. Colin found his love for promoting these types of offers, specifically contests. And soon, he cracked the code. The strategy is simple. Get people to a landing page and have them sign up for a contest so you get paid. You first want to apply to a CPA network that has high payouts per sign-up. You don't want a contest that only pays $1 per sign-up. You want a contest that pays anywhere from $3 to $5 or more. The perfect network for that is Big Bang Ads. We recommend that you find contests that you can promote in the USA, Canada, New Zealand, Finland, Netherlands, Denmark, or Germany. These countries are first world countries, which guarantees high payouts once a user signs up. After you find the contest you want to promote, head over to Pinterest.com. You'll want to use Pinterest.com to find high quality images that relate to your contest. For example, if you're promoting an ice cream campaign, you should search for ice cream in Pinterest. Pinterest is ideal for this because the images are vertical in length and are usually high quality. We recommend you find 5 to 10 images. Once you find your images, save them to your desktop and head over to Canva.com. Canva.com is a free software that allows you to customize images. Create a new image the size of 1080 by 1920. This is the perfect dimension for Instagram ads, which we will discuss in a few moments. Once you have your new image, upload your sourced images from Pinterest to Canva. The end result will look something like this. One quick tip. You can start with a blank slate. Add your text without the image and duplicate the image so that you can easily add it without having to recreate it each time. After you have your images, download them to your desktop. That's it. The next step is to create a landing page. This step used to require you to know how to code, but Colin realized that the market needed a better solution. So he created Landerize. Landerize is a software that allows you to create CPA marketing specific landing pages. If you want to follow along, you can get a free 14-day trial by clicking the link below. As an example, we are going to use this quiz contest template. This contest template is customizable, so you can change out the images of the content header, the text, the images of past winners, and so on. Landerize makes it easy for you to publish your new landing page to the web. After that, connect your contest from Big Bang Ads by putting it in the destination URL text box area. This will make sure that once the person takes the quiz, they redirect to the contest offer. If you get stuck, Landerize has great support documents to help you along the way. Now that we have the landing page, it's time to talk about how you will get people to your new landing page. Continuing with our ice cream example, we decided to use Instagram ads to test and see if it works. And it does. We ran the basic Instagram ads targeting people who liked Ben & Jerry's and other ice cream brands. We uploaded our images from Canva, which gave us different variations. We were able to get hundreds of people interested in our contest and made money while doing it. This is not an Instagram ad tutorial, but we recommend that you test different audiences, demographics, and images. By doing this, you will see which ad segment performs better. Once you find a segment that is doing well, you can scale that ad campaign. You can follow Colin's 3-day rule for scaling your winning campaigns. If you are not sure how to run Instagram ads, you can watch different tutorials on Colin's YouTube channel. That will give you a good starting point, especially if you want to get serious about CPA marketing. When it's said and done, we believe that CPA marketing is one of the easier ways to get into internet marketing. If you are able to find a contest and run simple Instagram ads with high quality images, then you will be able to find a winner and scale that winner by adding more money daily to your ad campaign. It will take lots of testing, but if you are persistent, you will find success. If you guys like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, or stay odd forever. Until the next video, peace out.